We get a lot of questions about the plugs. I always start with the best looking marabou I can find, and then strip the bottom half of the feather. Grab a piece of tape, lay it upside down, sticky part up. Lay each color down with the tips matching at the ends. Press the feathers into the tape, fold it in half, and then start rolling as tightly as possible, securing with the end of the tape. The leftovers can be gathered up and used again. You just put the tape on top. Roll it up again. No waste.